Real and virtual images, inverted and upright images. Firstly, consider concave mirror and concave lens. Remember the cone and concave mirror. So concave mirror is converging mirror. If concave mirror is converging mirror, then concave lens being opposite is a diverging lens. Reflection phenomena occurs in the concave mirrors and refraction phenomena occurs in the concave lens. Now consider a concave mirror. This is the center of curvature, focal point, pole, and principal axis of this concave mirror. Let I place this object here. Now consider that a light ray parallel to the principal axis hits the reflecting surface of a concave mirror. It is a mirror, so it will reflect this incident ray through the focal point. Secondly, consider another incident ray that hits the mirror at its pole. Let it form 35-degree angle with the principal axis. This incident ray is reflected at an equal angle of 35 degree from the pole. We can observe that these both reflected rays intersect at this point. This type of intersection is called actual intersection or real intersection of light rays. Now listen carefully. What about the image of this object? Well, whenever there is actual intersection of reflected rays, it will form inverted and real image. Let me repeat it. Whenever there is actual intersection of reflected rays, it will form inverted and real image. So here, inverted image is formed and this image is a real image. For example, in our daily life, the image formed by human eye is a real image. Now consider a concave lens. This is a focal point, optical center, and principal axis of the concave lens. Let I place an object here. A light ray parallel to the principal axis hits the surface of the lens. As we know that refraction occurs in lenses, so this ray of light is refracted from the focal point. Secondly, another light ray is coming and hits the lens at optical center. This ray passes straight through the center of the lens and is not deflected. Here is an important question. Where are refracted rays intersecting to form the image? Well, your answer is nowhere. So I extend this ray at backside and I also extend this ray at backside. Hence we observe that light rays intersect here. This is called imaginary intersection or virtual intersection of light rays. It is because we assume that light rays join at one point, but in reality, we can see that they do not intersect at one point. Now listen carefully. What about the image of this object? Well, whenever there is imaginary intersection of light rays, it will form upright and virtual image. Let me repeat it. Whenever there is imaginary intersection of light rays, it will form upright and virtual image. So here, upright image is formed and this image is virtual image. For example, in our daily life, the image formed by a plane mirror in your home is a virtual image. Also note it down that the word converge means come together or join together. Concave mirrors are converging mirrors that join together the reflected beam of light at one point, and they form inverted and real image. Secondly, the word diverge means spread out in all directions. So concave lenses are diverging lenses that spread out the refracted beam of light in all directions to form upright virtual image. Now let me quickly teach you convex mirror and convex lens. Convex mirror is a diverging mirror and convex lens being opposite is converging lens. So reflection phenomena occurs in convex mirror and refraction phenomena occurs in convex lens. Let's consider a convex mirror. This is the center of curvature, focal point, pole and principal axis of the convex mirror. I place an object here. A light ray parallel to the principal axis hits the mirror and it is reflected from the focal point. Secondly, another ray of light hits the mirror at its pole at an angle of 40 degree. It is reflected at the same angle of 40 degree. Let me ask you, where are reflecting rays intersecting? Well, the answer is nowhere. So let me extend this refracted rays at backside. This is imaginary intersection of light rays. Hence, upright image is formed and this image is virtual image. Secondly, consider a convex lens. Let this is the focal point, optical center and principal axis of the convex lens. A parallel light ray hits the lens and it is refracted at focal point. Another light ray hits the optical center and it passes straight without any deflection. We can observe that refracted rays of light intersect at this point. This is actual intersection, a real intersection of light rays. So it will form inverted image and this image is real image. Therefore remember that convex mirrors being diverging mirror forms upright and imaginary images, while convex lens being converging lens form inverted and real images. To summarize my lecture, I write concave mirror, concave lens, convex mirror, convex lens. I write RVVR. It means that concave mirror forms real image, concave lens forms virtual image, convex mirror forms virtual image, and convex lens form real image. I hope that you have learned all about real and virtual images.